the flavor that comes.
Can you just imagine? It's like...
Hello my viewers, it's your girl Ada and you're welcome to my channel. Please feel free to like, subscribe and comment. On today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make my hair food. I call it my hair food because my hair loves it a lot. It keeps my hair moisturized and it makes my hair to grow. It makes my hair feeling so soft and thick at the same time. As you can see guys, this is my natural hair. There's nothing like chemical on it, and this is what I use on my hair. So I use shea butter and I use the mango butter and I use the castor oil at the same time. This is the castor oil with my carrot oil, which I DIY myself. I use the vitamin E oil. I use the tea tree oil. All these oil are hair food. When you use them on your hair is going to feel so soft, moisturized, and the biggest thing is that it's going to make your hair grow like mad. Okay guys, let's get to our workstation. Now let's make our hair food. This is the shea butter and the mango butter, and now we are going to add our castor oil to it and the carrot oil. In my next video I'm going to show you how I DIY my carrot oil, and this is the tea tree oil. We are just going to add a few drops of it and the vitamin E oil, just a few drops of the vitamin E oil. So guys, now we are going to mix them together. How creamy it is. Okay, this is it guys. You can see how creamy it is. This is the best food you can give to your hair. As you can see, it's very soft to the touch. Immediately you apply it to your hair, it's going to melt. Okay guys, if you like my video, please put your comments below, share and tell me what you think about this. See you on my other.
Someone, you open up your heart when you love, 'cause when you love someone, you open up